teak is found all over the world, our teak is grown in 20 to 50-year plantations, which means you'll get the hardest, most durable wood without harming the environment. It's a 100% renewable product guaranteed to last. Customers who remodel their old patio, balcony, or roof with teak deck tiles do so because they want a genuinely beautiful outdoor living space that lasts. Deck tiles can be oiled to enrich the natural color. Deck tiles are easy to install, like putting together a small puzzle. You can arrange them with a straight look, like regular decking or a checkered pattern. Our teak deck tiles are made and processed daily in our facilities. We ship worldwide to your home or job site. Bring all the beauty and benefits of teak in an easy-to-install package that you can DIY in less than a day.